Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I will tour you guys to my toddler's new house. So this is our new house, guys. We just moved from other states, and this is what it looks outside. So let's go inside. And that's the stairs going up. And this is what it looks inside. So guys, this is how it looks inside. This is empty. This will be the dining room, living room right there. And this is pantry right here, guys. Pantry, where the food goes. So here, and here, first bedroom on the left is a bathroom. In here, the first bedroom here, downstairs. Okay. Let's go. Backyard. This is the back porch, and that's our backyard, guys. So it's really empty. Hey guys. It's our garage. Now let's go upstairs. It's a laundry room. Upstairs bathroom. One of this room, this is the second room, third, and a fourth room. So one of this room will be my toddlers. So either CJ's room here or and Haley's room in here, guys. Oh, and then this will be my mom's room. Yeah, I'm still waiting for her visa. So this will be fourth room upstairs and one bedroom upstairs. So that's all. So today, guys, we're going to play hide and seek, right, Connor and Haley? Look at that hair. That's Haley's hair, guys. A curly hair. Where is Haley? Ah, she is. We're playing hide and seek, guys. Uh-oh. Where's Connor? Okay, I'm going to count, okay? Go ahead, Haley. Mama's going to count 1 to 10, okay? Well, go hide somewhere. Go hide. I'm going to count 1 to 10, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, Mommy's coming. Ready or not, here I come. I heard someone. Here they go. Where's Connor? Oh. Okay, let's go. Go ahead, Haley. Go ahead. Come on. Okay, I'm going to count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come. I think they're here. Let's see. Oh, that's Haley right there. She's not hiding. You're not hiding. How come? He's fast. Scott's alright. Where is Connor? Where is Connor? Where is Connor? Here you are. That's enough. That's it. More. Mommy, someone's calling mommy. Mommy.
Come here downstairs.
But you have to hide first. You just stay where you hide. You don't go out. Goodness. Look at that laugh. Oh my God, my baby, no more. You're not baby anymore, Haley.
Not now.
Say bye-bye now. That's it. Okay, guys, we're going to hide and seek more. But for now, this video will end here. Thank you for watching, guys. Say bye-bye, Haley. Bye-bye.
Once again.